Tutorial will help you to access the AI packaging tool in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
1. Click select or highlight your video clip that you would like to use the AI packaging tool, and click on the timeline to deselect it. You want to click on text or the third option. Underneath here, you want to scroll to the right and see the free Capcut Mobile tool, AI packaging. Here you have commercial materials only. So click on this. You can see it's now currently going to be activated. And we have one use. Click start. Make sure that your video clip has speech or audio or this will not work. Time as you click and then declick or deselect, click text on the third option and scroll to the right and click AI packaging. One more time, click start. Now Capcut Mobile is going to ask you to upgrade because this is a pro feature. You can join pro or you can click the X completely for free.